Let's talk about how to use interactive mapping. If you have an object that you want to map, first you have to unwrap it or set UV from projection, cubic 2, and hit OK. For example, you want to remap or create a projection. It's actually create a flat projection. Going to the polygon mode, if you are in the model mode, you can see all of the tutorial turn off. You have to do model polygon or edge or something else. Double click to select one of the island that you want to remap. And then you can start interactive mapping. You can see a flat projection will be created here that it's remap in this angle. So you can move it in anywhere that you want, or also you can rotate it and use a flat map of any angle. You can see it's projecting this head, this island of the head in this direction. Nice. So this is an interactive mapping. Or if you can see it's question material tag, it means you don't have a material mapping. And if you stop interactive mapping, it's mapped there. Nice. Let's try if we don't select any island. Start interactive. You can see it is into selecting a whole object with the seams. And if you stop, it just map UV in this direction, and it does not separate them. Nice. Or you can make it in this direction and then rotate it. Nice. You can see it's mapping in this direction. It's actually like a frontal, but in an angle that you drag and drop in this 3D view. Again, you can set from VW and done. That's it. It's a interactive flat mapping. For example, you can see it's compressed in this direction, in a U direction, in a V direction. You can fix it. For example, select holding shift and non-uniform and make it something like that manually. Or you can use interactive mapping and map them again. So that's it. We are not using too much that. The best way, as I said before, it's the unwrap mapping. Create the seams yourself and then unwrap it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.